Welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, I'll show you how to create custom landing pages for Shopify ads to improve conversions and sales. Let's get started. Step 1. Install a page builder app. Go to the Shopify App Store and install a page builder like GemPages, Pagefly, or Shogun. These apps make it easy to design high-converting landing pages. Step 2. Create a new landing page. Open the app and select Create New Page. Choose a blank template or start with a pre-designed layout that fits your ad campaign. Step 3. Customize the page. Use drag-and-drop elements to add product images, descriptions, CTA buttons, testimonials, and other essential sections. Ensure the design is mobile-friendly. Step 4. Optimize for conversions. Keep the page simple and focused. Use clear headlines, persuasive copy, and a strong call to action, CTA, to drive sales. Remove unnecessary distractions. Step 5. Publish and integrate with ads. Save and publish the page, then copy the URL. Use this link in your Shopify ads to direct customers straight to your custom landing page. That's it. Now you know how to create custom landing pages for Shopify ads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. I do not intend to violate any copyright restrictions. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.